Hello everyone, it's Kari back again with you on the channel. Today I'm excited because if you haven't started your Christmas cards, you need something quick, then I'm going to share with you something brilliant from Whimsy Stamps. Now this is the Merry Mail to quick card fronts, and I'm going to be sharing a couple others with you as well in this video. But let me show you a few of these that come in this one here. They are gorgeous. Just beautiful, beautiful prints here, and they also come with some sentiments that you can cut out and add to them to make some quick cards and get them sent out really quick. This one has two different colors that you can choose from, and you just have to decide if you want to dress them up a lot more, make them nice and simple. Today I'm going to be taking a frame die. This is the Wavy rectangle. I'm going to cut out one of the images, and then I have a piece of cardstock that matches these sentiments, and now I'm just going to cut out one of the sentiments with one of the quick strips to dies. So let me show you those dies, these ones here, and they are beautiful and perfect for winter. There's a few different sizes and a few different designs. Today I'm going to just choose this one right here, and you can see that they're going to fit perfectly on a lot of these. The longer ones will require the longer die cuts. See how perfect that one fits? So by just choosing the quick card fronts, a frame die, and a sentiment die, then you can make the most beautiful cards very, very simply. Now these didn't take me very long at all. I think I made these in less than 20 minutes for both of them, and I just made a few quick decisions. I've cut out some fun foam to go behind this sentiment here, and we're going to pop this up on the front. To put this all together, I'm using liquid adhesive and just gluing that to the foam, and then I'll glue that to the card front. I did leave a little of the foam sticking out as a little shadow piece, and I'm going to put my magnet on there to let it dry. Now you can see my cardstock, I've already cut out a tag from that, but that's okay. You're not going to see that in the finished card. So it's just going to be as a frame, a matte frame around this beautiful card front. Now I'll add that to the card base, and we're just about done with this first card. And there we go, I've added that to the base, and now I'm going to go ahead and glue on the sentiment near the bottom of that panel. And I felt like this card had so much detail already, so many beautiful things, but I wanted to add just a few matte silver pearls to the sentiment just to make it pop a little bit. You can leave this off if you want to make it a little more flat for mailing, but I just love a little extra dimension. I'm just going to add those with my gem picker and some liquid adhesive. And that's really going to finish off this card right here, card number 1. The background is beautifully designed and decorated already, but if you want, of course, you can add extra glitter, extra gems, anything that you want. That's as simple as I'm going to make this first card here. So easy. For the second card, I decided to choose one of the little cabins here. Look how beautiful that is. And I'm going to cut out the sentiment with a different one of the dies from that same quick strips to die set. This time I'm using the lighter sentiment set and one of the longer sentiments. Now you could easily cut these out using your trimmer as well if you don't have these quick strips dies, but I find these dies to be so easy, so beautiful, and add a little touch of design to the card as well. Now I'm taking the extreme postage dies, and I'm going to cut out that image right there. And this is the second postage die from the largest. So I'm going to use both pieces this time. I'm going to glue down the outside frame just like this. And then I've cut out, you can see on the upper left there, I've cut out a piece of fun foam with that same die shape, and that's going to pop up the inside panel, which is the cabin itself. So I'm going to add some liquid adhesive, attach that to the card base, just like this, and then I can glue on the inside cabin image to that. So it's going to pop right off the background. Now this is, you can't really tell very well in the video. I did offset it a little to have a little white frame around that postage die, but it's a really fun eclipse look. And now I'm just going to glue on that sentiment to the top just right here, just like that. And we're done with this card. I decided to add a few yellow gems in the video. It's going to be hard to see, but in real life, they do add a little bit of fun glow, kind of like a yellow glimmer to this card. It looks like it's glowing. It's a really fun look. So just a few gems here and there. And that's going to finish off this card. So see how quick these are to come together? They are a lifesaver when you're needing some cards fast. I think I'm going to be using these for my neighbor cards today as I take them some Christmas gifts. Look at how beautiful these turned out. I love the quick card fronts from Whimsy. Now these Merry Mail 2 are some of my favorites, but let me show you two more of my favorite winter designs from Whimsy as well. Here's a closer look at that Merry Mail with the mailbox. So beautiful. So this second one is the Woodland Santas, and I just adore these. I cut out some glitter foam with the frame from the Itsy Bitsy spider die. I didn't use the spider, I just used that frame. And then I cut out the sentiment with some Quick Strips 3 dies, which is another one of my favorite Quick Strips dies. I use these here, and I use these for the other one as well that I'm going to show you in just a minute. I added some greenery and berries to the top of both of them. For this one, you can see I used that extreme postage dies again as a frame. So just cutting two of them out at the same time, adding some berries and one of the sentiments. So simple, and look how fun those designs are with that Santa. This one here is the Chili Penguins, and it's brand new. The Chili Penguins quick card fronts don't need too much added to them. I used the Quick Strips 2 dies again, and on this one I added the one that looks like it's kind of snowing or melting snow. I also used this Joy die, and I used a lot of the elements from them to make these penguins, like for example the little heart and the little holly berries came from this, and also those glittery silver stars. But then I used the Joy word itself and used that penguin as the O, popped up the J and the Y, and then used a couple of the other little twinkle stars down here with some silver glitter paper and added that and made 3 simple penguin cards. I just adore them. I hope you adore them too. They're so fun. And if you need quick cards, go check these all out from Whimsy. I'll list and link everything below so you can check them out if you're interested, and make the fastest Christmas cards or holiday cards or winter cards that you ever have made. Like I say, they are simple. They are designed well enough that you could use them on their own. You could add some other elements to them to make them your own. The design team has a whole lot of other ideas using lots of elements or just a few elements, and they're really fun. So I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with more card inspiration, and in the meantime, I hope you have a very happy holiday season with extra crafting sprinkled in. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.